So let's show you, and blue glitter slime, so let's go. So what you're going to be needing is glue. You're going to be needing blue coloring, glitter, and Tide. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm going to empty this bottle of glue. Okay guys, empty this bottle of glue. Just so you guys know, I'm using only like one bottle, so I don't want to make so big slime. Oh, it smells horrible. Glue smells horrible. This glue. Other glues, not all. Okay, I'm gonna get all of it in so I don't waste up. Drip. Oh, you want to drip, guys? I'm trying to get this emptied in. Oh my god, I don't have a mixing tool, guys. Oh, how pretty. Go get a spoon. I use a plastic spoon, guys, so like it's more easy. Okay, let me empty more of it. Going in. Going in. Okay, guys, so I got to go inside. Finally, we're done putting in the glue. I don't know. Okay. Next, we're gonna add. Okay, let's just mix around. It's so heavy. Okay, now I'm gonna add in some of the blue color. Oh my god, I put too much. Oh my god, it just dripped in, guys. Oh my god, look at it. It's like flowers. Okay, let's mix it all in. Oh my god, it's actually really light. I'm gonna make it more dark. It's just too light. It means you need a lot to make it dark. I think this should be enough. So let's just keep mixing. Still looks too light, but let's just keep mixing. Let's add more so we can make it dark blue. Okay, let's not waste it too much. Going crazy. I love slime. And like, yeah. So good, the texture, right guys? Woo! So good. So let's just add one more sprint thingy. Woo, woo, okay. Woo, woo. Oh, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Okay, now this is my last sprint. That's the darkest I want it to be, and like, yeah. Wait, guys, I'm coming. Okay guys, sorry, that was an obedience. Okay guys, so this looks lower than how much. I'm just kidding. Okay guys, next we're gonna add glitter. Okay, that's enough glitter. Whoa. Whoa. This is gonna be big slime. This is my sister, so I better be careful. She's gonna make slime later too. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna tie that. which is one of the most important parts. One. Oh. Just add a little bit, guys. At a time, little bit at a time. Oh my god, it's activating, guys! You guys could see. It's a lot of slime, that's why you need a lot of activating. It's blue, so that's good. Good fit for me. It smells so good. Go, go. Ew! Of course your hands are gonna get dirty, right? Now they didn't all the activator just now. Okay, let's just like do something. Okay, it's becoming slime really quickly. Oh my god. Yeah. No, not from here. Into the cup. Okay, my sister's adding it for me. No, where are you looking? Right here. No! Into the cup. Oh my, I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to keep adding. No. Okay, guys, I'm going to keep adding it in, yeah. Right now, this is a disaster. It's forming into slime. So we get call Slimo. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep mixing. I'm gonna start mixing with my hands. Ugh, this is getting dirty. I have to wash this when I'm done. Okay guys, so it's forming into slime, but I think we need like a bunch of activator to make it like actual slime. Oh my god, the glitter barely shows. Okay guys, my sister's gonna add some, not too much. No, in here, into the back. Okay, she's gonna add a little bit, not too much. Okay, that's enough, what the heck? It's too much. I don't want mine to be hard. Okay guys, so it's forming to slime. It's so watery right now. Oh my god, it's forming into actual good slime. You guys could actually make some really good slime. I'm out of here. Your hands are too gooey. She can't hear me, she's outside. Okay, this barely shows the glitter, but I don't care because the blue is really pretty. Oh my god! I have to wash my hands really good after this. Okay, alright guys, so this is my finishing slime. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video this week on my Twinkling channel. For a chance to get a shout out in my next week's video, comment down below what your favorite type of slime is. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye! Oh, my sister's gonna do the clap on you guys on your face.